Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very simple and healthy zucchini recipe. I have one medium zucchini right here, and I'm going to cut it with this veggetti vegetable cutter. This is called a spiral veggetti vegetable cutter, and you could buy this from Amazon. It's about $9.99, so about 10 bucks. I bought this a few years ago. So this is what it called right here. I don't have the box anymore, but this is the recipe right there. So when you buy this, they give you a booklet or recipe right there to do. But I'm gonna do it with. So I got 4 catfish fillet right here. So let's cut the vegetable first. So this is the like I say. Veggetti vegetable cutter. There's two. This side is the thin side if you want to cut your vegetable thin. So basically you just twist it and then it come out like spiral. And this one's the thick side. And there's a cap right here, just with a little spike right here to so that you can poke it to one end of the vegetable and you keep turning it. And I'm going to use a thick side. So put the cap on. Just cut this end off, the top end and the bottom end. What you need to do is just right there. It's easy. Just twist it right here. So just hold it like that and just keep turning the. See it come out in spiral. So keep turning it until you got toward the end there. See? This is a healthy way to cook your to eat the vegetable. Spaghetti basically, look at the long strand of look like spaghetti. I already have one, I made one recipe already, veggetti spaghetti, zucchini spaghetti on this one. So if you want to watch that video, you can go to watch that video. See, look at the core right here. Once in a while you have to clean this out because this gotten stuck in there. All right, I'll put it back in. So this is a healthy way to eat your vegetable. Yeah, this is a useful tool for cutting vegetable into spiral. So like I say, they're selling this at Amazon. So toward the end there, you got to put this part on because you don't want to cut your finger. Push it. Oh, it doesn't work that good. So keep turning it. So at the end, they just push this and then keep turning it. All right, it's good enough. And look at that, very nice, right? Look like a spaghetti right here. I got about half a pot of water right here boiling. Bring it to a boil. Just put a little bit of just like. Put a little bit of salt in here, maybe a teaspoon of salt. Bring it to a rolling boil and then, all right, the water is boiling. Now I want to put the vegetable in. So I'm gonna just blanch it for about 30 seconds or so. I don't want to cook it. I just blanch the vegetable. I don't want it raw. So that's the reason why we're doing this. 30 seconds or so, that's it. All right, after about 30 seconds, I want to drain the water out. So turn on the tap water and rinse it with cold water. Stop the cooking process. That's it. And let it sit while we cook the catfish. So I got 4 fillets of catfish right here. Bought this from Sam's Club. Not too much salt, just a little bit of salt on both sides. a little bit of ground up pepper. On both sides. All right, I'm gonna fry the catfish fillet in a pan, and put a little bit of vegetable oil. Not too much, about a teaspoon or so. I don't want too much oil in the fish. Okay, I think the pan is hot enough. Let's put the fish in. Shouldn't take long. See, when you're cooking fish or frying fish in a pan or something like that, the oil splash all over the place. This is a good idea to have one of this right here. So you just put on the frying pan right there. So this way you stop the oil from splashing all over the place. This is a really good one. It's made out of like rubber, but it doesn't, it can withstand a lot of heat right here. See, flexible rubber. So this way you don't have oil all over your stove here. Oh, look at that. Good color. Nice color. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium right here, let it cook a little bit. While the catfish is cooking, in the meantime, just make sure squeeze out the water a little bit. You don't want to, yeah, just keep squeezing out the water. Look at it, just do like this. While the fish is cooking, let's do this. Let's make the sauce for this. I have Kikkoman ponzu sauce right here. This is citrus seasoned dressing and sauce. Look at ponzu sauce. So ponzu sauce, basically soy sauce. They just put mix it with citrus in there, so it's kind of a little sour. And so I put about a teaspoon here. If you want a little spicy, just put a little sriracha a little bit. Just a little pinch of sriracha and then mix it up. See? I'm just waiting for the fish to finish. All right, the fish is done. Let's plate this up. So just drizzle a little bit with this ponzu sauce and with sriracha right here. So this is the final product. Zucchini with fried catfish. So let's give it a taste. I need a little more sauce in here. Oh, it tastes really good. So this is a healthy way to eat your vegetable. I just blanch it for about 30 seconds. I'm using the veggetti spiral veggetti vegetable cutter. See the cutter look like a spaghetti right here. Tastes good. That's very good. Look at that. So healthy. Mm. Mm. Ah. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. It's good. Mm. Mm.